When you travel full-time, things don't always go as planned.
There's one thing that we've learned in our last year and a half of full-time van life is that things don't always go as planned when traveling.
We're supposed to be on our first international trip, but things changed.
Our original plan was to fly from New York to Colombia after taking the train across America from San Francisco to New York. But then we had an awesome opportunity come up that we definitely could not say no to. Well, I guess we could have, but we decided to make the choice to go.
So we're at JFK, we're gonna board a flight nonstop to LAX, and we're gonna spend the next few days on the beach.
Thanks again, welcome aboard.
I just had an awful experience getting on. They told me to check my baggage, which is my backpack. It was too big. And then I took everything out and they were like, well, just bring it on to see if there's room. And there was room. And then I was just hitting everyone with my bag. And now I'm like really hot. I haven't had my coffee. My passport's out of my bag. I'm glad we're on. Got a window seat, ready to go.
Please remember to take a look around your seat and make sure you have everything that you brought with you on board. On behalf of Delta and the Los Angeles and New York City-based flight crew, we've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a wonderful day.
There you go. Bags were a little bit too big.
We definitely learned a lot on this flight.
All right, LA, here we come.
Well, we're here.
Yeah, I guess we're here. So
LA, we're here.
LA, we're here.
The main thing I learned is that I'm not taking this thing to Europe. I am so used to
Smoking
rolling.
is permitted in designated areas only. Please refrain from smoking while walking throughout the building.
I'm so used to a rolling carry-on luggage and just a small personal bag. This time around we shared a personal bag and it ended up being too big. So I had a frustrating time on that flight. It had nothing to do with Delta, it had everything to do with our planning. I'm so used to traveling by myself that I've never really packed for two before, and I think I missed the mark on this one.
I learned it's really annoying not to have your own personal item, and having this big bag that was stuffed under my feet, there wasn't much legroom to begin with, and then I know I just pissed Megan off by just handing her the whole bag to deal with.
We booked an airport hotel. We're gonna catch the shuttle and then get to the hotel. It is warm. The flannel's not cutting it. Ugh.
Cool. Thanks so much. Have a nice day. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, this is nice.
This is nice.
Oh my god. Nothing like getting off an airplane and just diving onto the bed with all your airplane clothes. Psych!
You do this every time.
Never gets old.
We just napped for like 2 hours. It was exhausting this morning. But now that we are here, awake, and ready to party, we're gonna go downstairs and have some dinner. And I know you guys are wondering how we make money now, because we put out a video probably a year ago about how we make money, and things have definitely changed.
Let's hit the town, baby.
I feel hot.
I feel hot.
When was the last time I wore a skirt? It's been a while. Honestly, I'm happy to not do van life for a little while because I can feel a little bit sexier. Van life's like a whole lifestyle of no showering and wearing athleisure.
Towards the other way, babe.
So we make our money from social media 100% now. We're looking to diversify some stuff, but that's pretty much what we do. When we first hit the road, I was working full time, Matt was working on social media, and 6 months into the road, I quit my job, and this is how we make our money now. So we are here working with Jackery and doing a live stream with them. It's gonna be a fun time.
Which means I'm gonna spend $20 on a Cobb salad, because I can.
It might not look like it because it's like dark out, but it's only like 4:30. I'm a cheap date.
This bartender's got heavy hands.
Heavy.
One thing's for certain, we're gonna sleep great tonight.
As far as how we make money on social media, it's a long-winded explanation, but basically we work with brands to promote their products on our channels, or we make content for them.
I never would have thought that this would be the avenue that I would have pursued. Like, if you told me 4 years ago that I'd be doing this, probably would have thought you were a little crazy. But the possibilities out there really are endless for this kind of work, and I'm really stoked to have you guys along, because without you guys it would not be possible.
Cheers. Natural. Yes. My cardio isn't good. Welcome to our hotel. It's a different hotel because we got a different hotel.
We got a room change because the first hotel we were in, somebody smoked a cigarette at some point while we were sleeping, and our bathroom just reeked of cigarette smell.
So even though we're not going to Colombia, and even though we had to switch rooms because someone smoked a cigarette, when you travel full time, things don't always go as planned. Well, today is the day.
We knocked out after dinner last night. We were exhausted from all the traveling, but we are super excited to go do this live stream right now. So we will see you after, because we can't film that. Peace.
We had so much fun last night. I think a little too fun. The event itself was definitely interesting. We've never done anything like that before, but if you did go to the live on Jackery, please let us know in the comments. I mean, it was such an experience that I don't think we'll ever have again.
I don't think I want to have that experience again, to be honest with you guys.
Anyways, we're heading to the airport. We're gonna do our first international travel trip together by plane, and we haven't told you guys where we're going yet, and you're gonna find out soon.
See ya downstairs.
Well, we both got flagged by TSA, and there's no one here looking at our bags, so this is fun. I'm through. Matt's still getting his bag searched. That bag is stuffed. Oh, by the way, we switched bags, so Matt's not happy.
This sucks. Well, that was really annoying. Got pulled over, patted down, then I got my bag checked, took it out, sent it back through. But whatever, we're through now. I'm not a fan of this backpack. I can honestly say this is probably the worst mood I've been in a long time. At least we have coffee, and I'm feeling better now. I did say this is the closest I've ever been to having like a full-blown temper tantrum as an adult.
I'm going to rolling luggage. You know who told me that we're not doing rolling luggage?
That's showbiz, baby. That's showbiz. One thing I noticed, United gave us the wipes, Delta did not.
We haven't chosen yet which domestic airline we love the most. I prefer United, but everyone loves Delta, so we're giving Delta a shot.
We're excited for this flight. This is our first international flight together ever.
Mexico, let's go. I am so pumped to be in Puerto Vallarta. I am so excited to be here.
It's 82 degrees here, which is nice. I'm stoked.
Honestly, we have no expectations coming here. This was a last minute change from Colombia to Puerto Vallarta. I'm so excited. Mexico, baby. our first international trip together. Let's freaking go. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. We are in Mexico for the first time. It's a good margarita.
Mmm.